מעוז צור ישועתי, לך נאה לשבח. תיכון בית תפילתי, ושם תודה נזבח.
Hello, Avi and dear students. We want to wish you now today, unfortunately you are not with us. We wanted to make a video conference together, but you couldn't. So we want to wish you Happy Hanukkah together. Happy Hanukkah! Okay, we will be glad to be in touch with you maybe later. So maybe some students want to say something, any greetings, any wishes. Who wants some words? Okay,
we miss you a lot. We want
Sar,
to welcome to Israel.
if you remember.
And we hope that we will see you in the next few months.
Maybe next year maybe. Unfortunately, this year you are not coming. One more? Anyone? Yeah, Ronnie, do you want to say something? So Ronnie will light candles, yeah? So today is the third day of Hanukkah, so we light 3. Okay. Okay, that's okay. Good. Be careful.
Okay.
Greetings. Good. So, let's sing a little bit, yeah? No? Who wants to start?
חנוכה, חנוכה, יפה תודה. על תרועות של ניצחונות, על קרבות של דרור, בחנוכיה לי אש, צוחקת באש, ושחה לי בלט, על כת קטן אחד, ושחה לי בלט, על כת קטן אחד, חנוכיה שלי.
Okay, so thank you and wish you happiness and everything. Have life in your life, everything you want. We love you, we miss you. Okay, bye. Thank you.